Alright, so in this video, I'm going to go through the tab, categories, and rules feature. So tabs basically are some options that will be shown inside your community. So if I show you inside my paid community, you can see these are some of the tabs that are already available. You can turn that on or off. It's important that you turn the classroom section on because that's where you're going to have your courses and some trainings. So people can go ahead and watch it. Calendar as well, if you're going to be doing Q&A calls or you're going to be doing trainings, then it's important that you have the calendar turned on as well. And the map. So if you want to see where your members are, turn it on and it will actually help you and members see where everyone is from. And that's a pretty exciting feature. But if you don't want to have that, you can always turn that off. You cannot add more tabs over here. Those are the 3 most important tabs. So you will have to manage it this way. Now, the other one is the categories, and this is something that you can set up, okay? So you can see here, I have plenty of categories here. And let's say someone is interested in post or content around funnels, they can just click on this category and they will see all the questions and all the discussions happening under this category, okay? So you first have to know exactly what your community is all about and what are the topics or content that you're going to be sharing inside your community. So for example, in my System are in a Box, I have a category that says wins, right? So whoever makes sales from System are in a Box funnel, they can actually post inside the wins category. And I'm going to make sure that all the members can post inside this category and then sort by default. And then I'm going to go ahead and add it. Now let's say someone has questions. So I'm going to add a questions category. So whoever has questions about System are in a Box, they can add that in this category, members, defaults, and then add. All right, so this categories makes your membership organized and people can create posts under specific categories. So everything is organized and it's easier to find posts. Because if you have too many members inside a community and they're just posting, a certain specific post can get lost. A post that needs your attention, you may not find it. So for example, questions are important. So if I am in my community and I want to answer some questions, I'm going to look under this tab and make sure that all the questions that require my attention are there, and I'm going to go ahead and respond. So have categories around the content or topics that you are going to discuss more inside your community. Lastly, rules. So you can set up some rules for your community, and when members join the community, they have to make sure that they are agreeing to the rules. So if you want, you can add some more rules here. For example, no spamming. Another rule that I can ask is share value and network. And you can add as many rules as you want. But that's pretty much it. And you can make as many rules as you want.